Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you all about what you'll need to start your very own slime shop and how much it's really going to cost you. So this video is long overdue. I made the first part to this one a couple years ago now, and it's still actually one of my best videos. You guys have asked me tons of questions, left me tons of comments on the old video, and I would like to answer a lot of those for you now and just give you a little bit more details about what it's really going to take to start your own slime shop, because I know a lot of you out there still want to start your shop and I'd love to help. But first, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and definitely turn notifications on so that you're the first one to see my next video. If you like, you can also go follow me on Instagram or TikTok and check out some of the other cool stuff that I do on a daily basis if you want to see all the crazy behind the scenes kind of stuff. Now let's go ahead and start off with a to-do list on what you're going to need to start your very own slime shop. First, you're going to need to buy some supplies and ingredients to make your slime. Second is my favorite, it's the fun part. You're going to start making your own slime and testing out your own new recipes. Third, you're going to need to find a website to sell your slime on, or even make your own website. When you're starting a new business, I think the most frequently asked questions is, what will I need to buy? Where can I buy it at? And how much will it cost me? These are definitely questions that I had when I started my shop, and I'm going to try and answer those for you as best as I can while giving you the cheapest or least expensive options out there. Now I'm going to share with you some must-have slime supplies that you're going to need to start your slime shop off with. These are the basics. I've gotten most of my basics from Amazon and Walmart because that's where I found the cheapest price and the fastest or easiest way to get these supplies. The most obvious thing and most important thing that you're going to need is a gallon of school glue, and the cheapest place you can find this is at Walmart for $10.88. You're also going to need a gallon of clear glue to make those beautiful clear slimes. I found this the cheapest on Amazon for $19.44. I would also recommend getting a gallon of thick glue, also known as Glue All. You can buy this on Amazon for $17.14. Borax is a need to activate your slimes, and you can buy a box of this at Walmart for $4.47. I use lotion in almost all of my slimes, not clears obviously, but you can find a big bottle of this at Walmart for $7.93. There's tons of online stores that you can buy your slime jars or containers from, but when I started out, I found that Uline was the least expensive to order from, and you do have to buy in larger quantities. That might be the downside for you. But they sell a case of 36 6-ounce jars for $32.64. That's with your shipping and your tax and everything already added on. Or you can go with the 8-ounce deli containers that they sell in a quantity of 500 for $87.31. I know that sounds like a lot, but when you go down to how much it's going to cost you per container, it really isn't. If you're not as interested in buying your slime jars in larger quantities, I've found deli containers at Smart and Final as well. I'm not sure on the cost right now, but I'll look for it for you, and if I find it, I'll put it right here somewhere. Add-ins are also a must-have, and these are the ones that I started off with in my shop to keep it affordable and spend the least amount of money. You can get your basic 4-pack of food coloring at Target for $3.19. I used to love buying 16 packs of glitter at Walmart for only $3.54 because it gave you a variety of colors and it was cheap. Foam beads used to be pretty hard to find, or you'd even have to order them from China, but now you can find a starter pack for just $10 on Amazon. Slime sprinkles are a must to keep your slimes super cute, and you can get a starter kit as well on Amazon for only $10. If you want to make some good clay or butter slimes, you can buy a big bag. It's 1 kilogram on Amazon for $27.99 from Dope Slimes. I've personally used their clay and I love it. Fragrance oils are going to be one of your more pricey items, but they are a must, and you can usually only find these at online stores. I personally recommend Nature's Garden because I've gotten scents from them before. You can get a 4-ounce bottle like this for $8.50, or you can get an 8-ounce bottle like this for $11.50. And this is before tax and shipping, so it's going to be a little bit more after all that's added on. Now let's move on to your slime labels and packaging supplies. I've always used Avery labels for my slime supplies because they're easy to use and they're convenient, and you can buy them in regular stores as well as online. These are the ones that I use for my local labels, and these are $18.49 for a pack of 120 labels at Office Depot. And these are the ones I use for my name labels. They're only $8.84 at Walmart for a pack of 750, so that's a great deal. Avery, they give you like a website, it's on the back of here, where you can do your templates, you can make them. And please don't mind Benny's school desk here. This is where he does school now. But anyways, these are the labels I'm gonna print off today. So I'm gonna get this blank one here. Let me go down here to my printer to pull this out. I'm gonna load this one in here. Make sure that nothing else is gonna print if you put this on there, because you don't wanna waste your good label paper. I have my template right here. I'm gonna go to File and Print. And here they are. And that's all there is to it. You got your slime labels for your jars. You can find small baggies like this for your borax for only $2.99 at Michael's for 150 bags. You're also going to need bubble mailers and boxes to ship your slimes in, and I've purchased mine from royalmailers.com. My bubble mailers you can get for $29.99 for a pack of 50. That doesn't include tax and shipping. And the small boxes that I've used, you can get a pack of 25 for $26.99, not including tax and shipping. You can find packaging tape at Walmart for $1.48, bubble wrap at Walmart for $4.97, and a bag of candy for your extras, which is optional, but your customers will definitely love you for it, for $8.48 for a big old bag of 150 pieces. The last thing I want to talk about is making your own website to sell your slime on, or choosing a platform to sell from. Etsy and Shopify are the most popular sites for slime shops, and they both have their own pros and cons, and they aren't free. They both charge you fees. So let's start off with Etsy's fees. I'm going to show you guys a quick screen grab that I took from Etsy.com on their fees page, and I'll also show you the same thing for Shopify.com so that you can see a little bit of the fees that they're going to be charging you when you sell with them. But I will go into more details on these fees in my next video, where I'll show you the pros and cons of using Etsy versus Shopify. I personally use Etsy for my slime shop at the moment, and I'm going to show you guys it right now. I'm always adding new slimes to the shop, so if you guys want to go check it out and maybe purchase a slime from me, I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll leave the link to that right down below. Okay, so after adding up all of the supplies that I recommended to you guys in this video, I came to a grand total of, drum roll please, $345.26. So I know that might sound like a lot of money to some of you, but to be honest with you, it's very little money to start your own business, and it'll definitely pay off as long as you stay consistent, utilize your social media, and just give it your all. Also remember that you don't have to start off with everything I recommended to you in this video. You can always buy it piece by piece, or start off little by little, whatever you can afford and what's in your budget at the time, and just keep going from there. So I hope that this video was helpful if you're trying to start your own slime shop. I wish you all the luck and all the success in your new business, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave those down in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed one. Bye.